Hey folks, I'm Frank Smith III, and welcome to Frank's Place 2.0 studio down here in my I'm not gonna call it a man cave because it ain't a man cave. This is Frank's Place 2.0 studio. Happy New Year to everybody, and I'm excited today because today is my first time ever receiving. I just ordered it a couple of days ago. A 3D printer. Not only is it a 3D printer, this is a dual 3D printer from FlashForge, and I'm going to do a product opening. I got to learn about it. I have done some research on this thing. That's why I picked it. Got it today, and I'm like, okay, here we go. So, as a matter of fact, yesterday I came up with a brand new character that I cannot wait to create with this 3D printer. This is going to be one of the many things that I do with this printer, but that's one of the things that I'm going to create. So, without further ado, I'm going to start talking. Well, I'm going to keep talking. I'm going to open up this 3D printer from FlashForge. This is the FlashForge Pro 2, I believe. So, let's find out. So, always, if you're going to open a box, cut away from you, okay? That way you won't stab yourself. You don't need that. All right, so let's put them over there. Yep, not enough. Not enough. All right, here we go. So what we got here, first thing I see is the quick start guide. Comes with a 16 gig thumb drive, flash drive. So got that. These two cables, as far as I can tell, are going to be what the filament goes through to make, to create whatever it is. All right, so put that over there. Take this top off. We don't need anything in here, so put that there. And I think this thing is pretty much, it comes assembled. So I'll show you here. There it is right there. And I don't think I need anything in this box, so that goes there. All right, so here we go. Wrapped up pretty good. Okay. These are, I don't know what that is, but here's the stick, this disappearing purple glue stick. USB cable or some sort. Take all this stuff. These are the screws that I gotta tighten some stuff up with. This is the scraping thing, to pull the whatever I create off of the platform. Another small tool kit. I don't think this is going to take a long time to put together, but still. I don't know what these are for yet, but I'm going to find out. And that's one, and that's two. These are the extruders, or I think that's the term, extruders. Put them back in for now. And these are what you put the filament on. So this goes on the back, I believe. So put these down. And I think I'm looking at this thing from the front. Which way is this? This is the back. Okay, so this is the back. Turn it around for you. So it's a solid piece of machinery, I'll tell you that. Let me get it all the way out. Don't need that. Okay, so take this front off. My mind is just coming up with ideas right now on what can I do, what kind of stuff I'm going to create. But it's early in the year, and I'm going to do whatever I got to do. Because I am definitely trying to become a full-time entrepreneur. That's the front. So what I'm going to do is turn it around so I can look at it. That's the front door. Let's take this out and this out. Put these here for now. Nothing here. I don't want to break them, so, you know. Power cable. More of that stuff you got to take out. And that one, oh, some blue filament. And I think I got some white filament down here. All right, and I know I got to cut that and that, so let's do that. Yeah, I'll get it in a minute. All right, okay, I got to take this out. Well, I'm going to get all this stuff out and I'll do another video, okay? So I got to plug it in first. I think if I lower something, I can get to it. I don't know yet. But the point is, I got this thing and I plan on making some cool stuff. And I will see you guys later with another video. So thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. This is the FlashForge Creator Pro 2. FlashForge Creator Pro 2. And it's down here in Frank's Place 2.0 where I create stuff. So I am so looking forward to seeing what this thing can do. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I got some more videos coming. Thanks a lot.